Namaste friends, welcome to yet another pattern with simple stitches. This pattern uses this stitch is called as Silt Stitch. I saw this in some dictionary, crochet dictionary, and this uses single crochet and double crochets, and it's a 2-row repeat. Okay, so that is how the pattern is formed on one side only. This pattern, it's not reversible. Back will look like this. It's a plain one. Right side will have the pattern, and it is great for working your throws and your cardigans, your baby dresses, and this can be used as a border stitch in between border stitch, not the end border stitch, but it can be used as somewhere in between border stitch to give the enhancement to your dresses and tops. Okay, to make the stitch we require a multiple of 3 stitches plus 3 chains. Okay, and to demonstrate this I'm going to use the same color yarn that I have made the swatch. It is green almond, hobby store, Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn. It's medium weight 4 and its color is 2018. I am using the Aran yarns for demonstration because they are thick and they are rounded and they are anti-pill and they work fine, and the stitches are visible for the demonstration. So I shall make the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I have made 12 plus 3 chains, that is 15 chains. This pattern requires multiples of 3 plus 1 stitches. So we are going to work a DC in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to work with a back bump. Make a double crochet here and 1 double crochet in each of the chains across. That is your first foundation row. So I shall make the double crochets and get back to you. So I have 13 DCs here, that is 12 plus 1 DC. Chain 1 and turn. And in the very first stitch, I'm not counting this chain 1, turning chain as a stitch. So in the very first one, I'm going to make a single crochet and place 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And this pattern can be worked with 2 colors or multiple colors, placing the DCs with one color and the stitch with the other color. Then skip 2 and in the next place 1 single crochet. So that is why we require multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. So again 1, 2, we are skipping 2, and in the every third stitch we are working 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets, all in the same chain. Skip 2. Single crochet and 2 double crochets, the same chain. You're left with 3 stitches here. Skip 2 and place a single crochet in the very last stitch. That was our skipped chains in the beginning of the row. So pick up that V and work your SC in that V, only then your stitch will straighten up in the side edge. Now turn your work. You can chain 3 and turn, or make a standing double crochet as the very first stitch. So make a double crochet here. So this is your right side row. Double crochet rows are the right side rows. Then place 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So at the end you should have 13 double crochets. We made 12 chain multiples of 3, that is 12 plus 1 stitch. Then you are in the right, your crocheting is right. If you miss a stitch, the pattern will go hayward. I hold my hook very loose, as though I am holding the baby's hand in my hand. So I never hold it with a tight grip. I never give any pressure to my knuckles here. So the last stitch here, you can either work from the front or from the back side of the stitch. So let me count 1 2 3 4. Yeah, now again turn your work, chain 1 and turn your work. This chain 1 I'm not counting. Single crochet, 2 double crochets to begin with, all in the same stitch, that is the very first stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, 2 doubles. There is no chain between. Skip 2, single crochet, continue. So you'll be left with 3 stitches in the end. Skip 2 and place a single crochet over there. So this is how it looks. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. It gives a nice texture, like a flower texture. I don't know why they call it Silt Stitch. It can be floret or flowery stitch. You can call it anything you like. And it's a great stitch for any pattern, any fabric, any top or any dress or a blanket or a scarf, for your hats, etc., etc. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and this is how it looks once it is complete. As friends, I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next stitch rather, in the next video. And do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the subsequent videos that we upload day after day. Have a great day, friends. Bye for now.